Today I came in to be the light chiropractic with lower back pain. I got my x-rays taken and I found out that I have deviation in my spine. The doctor did an adjustment and I felt so much relief. I'm only 24 years old and I've never heard my back crack like that. This part was my favorite part. I love getting my neck cracked. It feels really good. I recommend you come take care of your body the way I did for myself today. Here's a before and after, and I definitely feel better now. Thank you, Dr. Perotti, for healing my body today.